Okay, so let's go over some meanings of phrasal verbs. Take off, to remove, and to fly into the sky. So my flight takes off at 10 in the morning, and my flight touches down in Barcelona at noon, we'll say. I land, I go through the terminal, go through customs process, and I go to the baggage claim or the baggage carousel, and I pick up my bags, meaning to take my bags. Or I pick my bags up. Okay, transitive inseparable phrasal verb again, meaning to take. What happens after you get your bags? You get attacked by the local taxi drivers. Everybody's trying to give you a ride. I usually go out to the street and I flag a taxi down, right? I wave, flag down a taxi, meaning to signal for a taxi to stop his car and pick me up. And the taxi driver picks me up. He takes me. So I get in a taxi and the taxi driver asks me, "Hey, sir, where would you like me to drop you off at?" So drop off means where is my destination?
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you would kindly point at where I am supposed to go.
Pulled into your destination. It said here I was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
Where is he going to stop his car? And I'm going to exit. A transitive separable phrasal verb means the object can go after the verb or after the preposition. So he can, the taxi driver drops the passenger off, or the taxi driver drops off the passenger. Okay. However, if I'm using a pronoun is like me, him, her, us, them. Pronouns can never go after a preposition. Okay, a pronoun has to go after the verb if the phrasal verb is separable. If the phrasal verb is inseparable, then of course the pronoun goes after the preposition. So to drop me off is correct. Drop off me, incorrect. Do not do that. Big mistake. No, no, no. Okay, so I get to my hotel, I check in, and I get my key for my room. I go upstairs, I unpack my bags, take a breather, maybe freshen up, and then whenever I travel, I like to explore the area around my accommodation, my hotel, my Airbnb rental, whatever, wherever I'm staying, okay? Which means what? I go for a walk and I wander around. I love traveling, I'm enthusiastic about traveling. My wife and I have amazing experiences together whenever we travel. I am constantly looking forward to my next adventure in another country with her. I think that about covers it for today. Went over some new words, basic functions for phrasal verbs. Don't be shy to get at me. Send me a DM on Instagram if you have any questions. Write me a message on VK or Facebook if you need to. Leave a comment in my comment section or feedback section on YouTube. Check out my channel. There's a few other videos now with some English videos, and more are coming soon. If you're interested in English lessons, I live in St. Petersburg, Russia. I do face-to-face meetings here. I also work on Skype. I do Skype sessions, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, and all of my lessons are customized to what my students' needs are. Get a hold of me. And let's take these steps together and let me help you out, give you that boost you need. I hope you found these videos useful. This video about phrasal verbs as well as the other videos about conditionals on my YouTube page. If you haven't watched them, check them out. They're very useful. Some simple basic things to help you improve your English. And yeah, hope to see you soon or hear from you soon. Peace.